on to this video. Right now I'm going to the grocery store because Hazel is completely out of food and she's starving, so let's go get Hazel some food. I am back from the store and I bought Hazel some pellets as well as lettuce and some bananas. I don't even eat bananas. I buy them only for Hazel and I give them to my dog sometimes because they like bananas too. And then I got her some hay because she always needs hay 24/7. I don't wanna want you. Say hello.
Hello. Hey, how's it going? I hope y'all are all having an amazing, fantastical day.
Subscribe.
Comment down below your favorite recipe.
I'm about to make some food. I don't know what to make. I'm going to cook my favorite quick, easy meal. I'm just addicted to ramen as it's my favorite meal ever. I could literally eat it forever for the rest of my life, every single day.
You're not the one for me, and I'm just confused. But who I think about you when I think about forever. I think about you. I don't wanna lose you. You say nothing's gotta change, but I don't know how to fool you into thinking I could feel the same. Honestly, I don't understand how you could say that you're not in love, but you got me. Say you feel nothing back. I should move on. All my friends tell me that. Still some nights I break down and I think about you. Running around the city in the Lisbon moonlight. I think about you. Dancing in the kitchen, twirling me all night. I know you're gonna say you're not the one for me, and I'm just confused. But I think about you when I think about forever. I think about you. I think about you. Ooh, I think.
It's definitely not 2 p.m. It is currently 9:15 a.m. For breakfast, I'm gonna make these Korean pancakes.
그냥 막 화내고 무시하고 그렇게 하면 안 된다.
everyone. So I guess I'm gonna be a little bit like honest right now. This week has been kind of a tough, funky week for me. I'm just gonna be honest, I really didn't want to put out a video. Like, I was going to film a Christmas decoration video, but things got a little tough and some things happened, and so I just didn't really get to film as much as I wanted to. So I know this video is a little weird and all over the place and just food. Next week will definitely be a Christmas decoration video, so be looking out for that. And I just want all of you to know that sometimes things don't go as planned, and it's okay. You can't let everything tear you down if something doesn't go as you thought it would go. If you've gotten this far in the video, or if you've just been here for a long time as my fan, I can't even speak. It makes me so happy to know that some of you have been here for so long supporting me. So thank you so much. I love you so much. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby.